Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today is my Nerf video. Today's my only test fire. So I have the Mastodon, the Hailfire, my brother's. Oh, and if you guys want to know, this is my brother's gun. It does not have any batteries, so he'll be doing a video on that. Do not worry. So I'm gonna go put this thing back, and let's do some test fire. We'll start off with the slightly easier guns. So you might think this is not the ammo thing. Alright, so we're gonna do some tests. Now it's gonna be on my door. So I'm gonna be doing a sneak attack video soon. Right now it's in here. Alright. That's gonna be nice. Let's try the missile. Alright, trying the missile in a couple minutes. Alright, missile time. That shoots very nicely. Alright, I'll clean up all these darts later. I just want to put the missile back in. Alright, next gun. Let's go grab this next gun. And then I think I'll put my room tour in. Like just a teeny little room tour. Alright, next gun is the Hailfire. Alright, so again, the Hailfire have everything all loaded. Let me turn the camera to the door. Yeah, right at the door. Got it. That is good. Very good. Very, very good. Put those darts up here. Put the Hailfire back. Alright, my favorite gun of them all. Okay, so guys, this would be my favorite gun. I don't know if I can get the whole thing on camera, but my favorite Nerf gun is the Hailfire. Well, not the Mastodon, really. I have a whole bunch more Nerf guns. They're just packed. Right now, I can't take them out. Alright, turn that. That was amazing. Alright. So I'm actually going to load these Mega Darts up because these are the only ones I have in this gun right now. You guys are probably thinking, why didn't I bring extra? I have no clue why. My dad just packed them without telling me. I have no clue why, so I'm going to do my little room tour right now. This video is a little bit short. Alright, so I'm going to flip the cam. How do you flip it now? Sorry, it's not letting me flip. Oh, no, I can't flip it. Alright, let me take it out of this thing. So, I don't know if I can flip. I probably can't flip. So, I think I'll just do the room tour in another video, guys. Sorry, the lighting. Alright, got the lighting right. So, I'll do the room tour in another video right now. So, sorry if I was like flipping it around a little. I was trying to like find something on it. It wasn't working too good. But in the next video, that will be our room tour. Today was just a little Nerf video. My brother will probably doing a Nerf video. I'll be doing sneak attack videos, just not today. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. No, stop. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.